Good morning all. I Prem Samudre, Assistant Professor, VNS Group of Institution, Faculty of Pharmacy, welcomes you in today's lecture. Today we will discuss about carbohydrates. So, what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are organic compound regarded as hydrates of carbon. So what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are organic compound regarded as hydrates of carbon. Carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Example C6H12O6. This is the structure of glucose. Cell utilizes carbohydrate directly for cellular respiration in the presence of oxygen. Let's look a reaction. This is glucose react with 6 molecule of oxygen and gives 6 CO2, 6 H2O and energy in the form of ATP. So when glucose is react with 6 molecule of oxygen, they will give 6 carbon dioxide molecule, 6 H2O means water molecule and energy in the form of ATP. One ATP gives you minus 7.3 kilocalorie energy, and this negative sign indicates negative free energy. Now, classification of carbohydrates. Classification of carbohydrates on the basis of complexity. Carbohydrates are classified into 3 categories on the basis of complexity. First one is monosaccharides, second is oligosaccharides, third one is polysaccharides. So what are monosaccharides? Monosaccharides are simplest form of carbohydrate and they cannot be hydrolyzed. For example, glucose and fructose. Oligosaccharides, it consists of 2 to 10 units of monosaccharides. Example, sucrose. Oligosaccharides consist of 2 to 10 unit of monosaccharides. Example, sucrose. And oligosaccharides further classified into disaccharides, trisaccharides, tetrasaccharides, pentasaccharides and so on. What are polysaccharides? Polysaccharides consist of more than 10 units of monosaccharides, or we can say polysaccharides composed of polymerization of more than 10 unit of monosaccharides. For example, starch and cellulose. So this is the classification on the basis of complexity. Now, classification on the basis of reactivity. Carbohydrates are classified into two categories on the basis of reactivity. First one is reducing sugar. Second one is non-reducing sugar. So what are reducing sugar? The sugar act as reducing agent and donate their electron pair to other molecule are known as reducing sugar. Example, glucose and fructose. All monosaccharide sugar are example of reducing sugar because all monosaccharide sugar donate their electron pair to other molecule and act as reducing agent. What are non-reducing sugar? Non-reducing sugar do not act as reducing agent. For example, sucrose and starch. Example of non-reducing sugar, sucrose and starch. Now classification on the basis of functional group. On the basis of functional group. Carbohydrates are classified into two categories on the basis of functional group. First one is aldose sugar and ketose sugar. The sugar that contain an aldehyde group are known as aldose sugar. The sugar that contain a ketone group are known as ketose sugar. Aldose sugar example is glucose because glucose carry aldehyde as functional group, and example of ketose sugar is fructose because fructose carry a ketone as primary or main functional group. So this is the classification of carbohydrates. Now functions of carbohydrates, or we can say biological role of carbohydrates. Functions. The main function of carbohydrate is to provide energy. So the first function of carbohydrate is energy source. Carbohydrates are main component of cell wall of plant and bacteria. So it is important component of plant and bacteria cell wall. Plant and bacteria cell wall are made up of cellulose, and cellulose is the example of polysaccharides. Then carbohydrate also important component of nucleic acid. Carbohydrates are also important component of nucleic acid. For example, DNA and RNA. DNA is made up of nitrogenous base, sugar and phosphate. So it is important component of nucleic acid because DNA and RNA are made up of pentose sugar. Next, act as sweetening agent. Derivatives of cellulose used as explosives. So these are the major functions of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate act as energy source, important component of plant and bacteria cell wall, important component of nucleic acid, act as sweetening agent, and derivatives of cellulose used as explosives. So these are the functions of carbohydrate, definition of carbohydrate and classification of carbohydrates. Thank you.